Do you know how to create a container loading task by just importing cargo name and quantity? Well, this is possible in LoadMaster. Let's take a look step by step. First, select the loading task type, loading container, multi-cargos. Name the loading cargo as order name, date, or whatever else. Add cargo. Download the cargo import template. Copy and paste the cargo name and quantity. Since other information such as dimension and parameters have been set and stored early in the database, so no need to fill again. Then import the template in the order form mode. Within 1 second, all the data you need is here. Add container. Since frequently used container information has also been stored in the database, just import from database. Then no special loading rules. Okay, click loading result. Within seconds, a 3D load plan is in front of you. Is that so convenient and amazing? Do you want to increase your work efficiency and ship less air? Go to http LoadMaster. Be easy to have a try.